Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. In this video number 6, how to freeze rows and columns in Excel. So in this video we are going to learn how to freeze rows and columns in Excel. So without wasting time, we get started. So you can see my sample data here. It's a huge data. You can see it is almost 4 lakhs data, and this is my whole data. And what I want to do is, so if I come down, drag, I will come down, then you can see my header title is missing, it is height. So what I want to do, I want to see all the titles, what are the titles of this data. So for that I will go from this position, sales position, and I also want meet ID. So if I drag, go here, meet ID should be shown. So what I do, I will stay here below the titles and forward to the rows. So I will go here and simply go to review, go to view, and then we will go to freeze pane. And this freeze pane, you can see the symbol here. This freeze pane will freeze rows and columns. So if I click here, now you can see the line is created here. This line and this line is created. So if I drag this, you can see my meet ID is showing. And if I come down, even you can show my title is not hide, it is showing all. If I drag, if I come down, you can see all the header and this first column data is showing. So in this way you can do. And if I want only to show this titles, not this meet ID, I will go again in view, freeze pane, and I will first unfreeze pane, and then if now I will go to freeze pane and freeze top row. If I want to freeze this will freeze this top row. My top row is this one. So for now my first column will also be hide. So in which position you want to freeze, and it will only show the titles and columns as per your required. So in this way you can simply freeze the panes, and it is helpful to show the another data as you need. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily tricks and tips of this Excel series. So thank you so much for watching.